uh, maintain the dimension in break area. When this is here, create the rectangle right now. First of all, I will go to select the rectangle and click and make this particular rectangle. Okay, so this is rectangle. When I select this and region, we will provide so now this is here rectangle right now. Then I will provide the dimension here, the dimension. When click the dimension and provide the particular point here. This is not the point. When I select the point, 1 point and second point, here click this dimension right now. Same thing again, I will provide the dimension this point to this point. When I will give this dimension, make the line here. So when you start the line, this point to this point join, and also enter, then click this point to this point. When I want to use the circle here, so again I will click the circle right now and OK. But show you again, I will click the dimension DLI, enter. Here the provide the dimension also, and then same thing I will go to provide in center. If I give this diameter, so when I will give the dimension DDI, it is provide the diameter here. Okay, so when now this is provide the, it is here the diameter. Look at this diameter when I get the provide. So I want to increase this dimension in here. So when you enter the de-enter, press the de-enter dimension style. When this is dimension style, just clicking here. Now this is dimension style. When I got modify, enter the modify, and I get the modify in every. So look at this here, text height. I will show you. Text color is in provide green, and also height is given that 0.5, 0.5, and they will provide the above on the line and alignment. Then also go to primary unit. System is when you change the unit here, so easy way of change. If you click the engineering, so inch and foot. If you click the whatever do you want architecture form, so when you go to architecture, so our precision is going to be 0 here right now when you apply the decimal and OK. Then after go to here, and again I will use from a text right now. Then arrow symbol, if I provide the arrow and which type of arrow deciding for architecture form and also architecture here. Then leader line, I will also provide the 0.5 mm. Okay, this is symbol and this is line. When your line has put down color in yellow, they will thickness is also and bilayer. Then again this is the color is line color is whatever, if you want this color here. And if you extension line also change the color when you go this is. Then after go to OK. and current set, then close. So look at this, increase our dimension value, but I show you this area is this area now this area has cut section view. I will got show you this diagram. So first of all, click the line here. The line is joined is here the point also, and click this line. Okay, straight this is stop this line, and again enter, and again enter this line diagram. When I click this here also, and also click this here and join. Okay, then select this R line here. First of all, select this line and go to trim, TR, enter, and remove the line. Select the line is going to be removed here. Now this is remove the line also. Again I will go to remove here and remove here. This is called here, and enter this line. When I got select this line and also select this line and select this line. When you go to copy here, so copy right now, CO, enter and copy. At some distance, when you come from this diagram, when you provide the orthogonal, and it is here to create, this is break line. Okay, now I will show you color particular when I given us. I'm going to provide the color in provide the color in break line. So when you go to here color right now, this is color, and apply this color, a specific color I will show you in diagram. So when you go to here color and apply the bilayer, so this is apply, select the line, select the line also, and again select this line, and I will go to here color and apply the bilayer. Here the bilayer, and we will provide the color. So look at this, here provide the color also. Look at, when I got select this all component and go to trim, TR, enter. This is trim here also. Again go to trim here, and also again go to trim here, right, then enter. Okay, you can see here trim is all area has been trimmed. Then also this dimension I will give you 150 mm, because this is the 90. So how is it possible 150 mm and without edit? They are two. This is the reason when you some people has put down and ed, enter, and go to continue, write the value is 150. You can write the value 150. It is the edit process, but I don't want edit process. I change the scale factor. So when how is it possible in change the scale factor? So when I go to without edit, I am not edit this diagram, because edit it means look at this dimension. I will show you. This is not edit, they are increase and decrease the value. Just I am coming here, increase and decrease, increase and decrease. So if I got the edit, so definitely stoppable for this value. So when how is it possible to provide the 150? So when I go to here selection, then PR enter property, and just come to property in the side from diagram. Look at this here. This is the property right now. When I click the property, here the property, when I go to primary unit, where is it? This is the primary unit. When just coming to primary unit, and when I change to scale also, this is the text ratio. When I go to primary, this is primary here. They are scale, dimension scale. Here the dimension scale. When I give, I want 150 this place. So when I use to AutoCAD in primary unit and apply this way. So how much? When I got the increase here, 150 I want, and also I have provided 19. So this is 152. As in I am change this here, and when I show you this diagram is also, this is 19 here. When this is the even digit, so when I move to some distance, when I move to some distance this diagram, and select, move and enter 1 mm. Okay, now Control Z. This is here selection, and go to move, enter, and I will just 1 mm has been increased. Then I will select this all component and EX enter. When I provide this EX and here, then also when you click the line and join right now. Okay, this is 20 here, and particular 20 when I got the offset this line. So when I select this, and this is the offset command here, look at this, and I want 20 mm distance offset. So when you put down 20 and enter, and here this is 20 mm. So when again I got the trim also, when you click the trim, and this line going to be trim, and also this line, and also this line. If enter right now and delete this line, because the line is extra, so delete here, and select this line and click joint here. Okay, so when come to perfect 20 mm distance has been go to here. So right now how is it change the value? So when you select this here and go to primary unit, so where is it primary unit? This is primary unit. First of all, here of scale, dimension scale. So when you dimension scale put down 200 value I want, so divide by 20. Look at this, it is come from easy way of change the diagram. So this type of scale, dimensioning scale is very easy. When I want to go to match property in every component, so I may enter and match property for everywhere. It is very every dimension has got scaling. So thank you for watching this video, and please like, do and subscribe.